I just set off a buck bomb because it's getting that time of year. I thought I heard crashing. But we're gonna sit back and see what happens today. Well, we haven't seen anything so far. But it's prime time right now. It's about 5:30. We're still waiting on something to walk through us. So let's make this happen. November 9th, about 3:30 right now. Doing an evening hunt. Me and Autumn going out to the stand. Got the crossbows. We're gonna see what happens. Stay tuned. Okay, we're back. We're in the stand. We switched the tree stand. We're at a different location now. This is where the deer have been moving. So we're gonna give it a try. We'll see what happens. I just rattled in. I brought in a pretty big buck. He was on the other side of the railroad tracks. But he was a big buck. So we're gonna see if he comes back. Let's hope he comes back. I just had a really big buck run behind me. That's the second buck I've seen today. The rut is on. These bucks are moving. If that buck doesn't come back, I'm sure he's gonna be there tomorrow. Opening day of gun season tomorrow, so November 15th, opening day of gun season. Got the Mossberg out, 12 gauge. Alright guys, I made it. We're doing the evening hunt. Went back home, got a little breakfast, and I come out here, come back to the spot I'm showing you. I got right on the edge of our septic field. This 4-point came out, and I got a nice shot on him. He dropped right in his tracks. He was on the edge of our barbed wire fence line.
Alright, well, let's go find him.
Alright. I'm gonna hop over here.
What you said?
Here he is. Nice deer for Michigan firearm opener. Shot this with my shotgun opening day of gun season, November 15th. Michigan, this is St. Clair County.